You see countries like China just really doubling down on their war on faith. And it's against everybody. It's against the Muslim Uyghurs, it's the Tibetan Buddhists, it's the Falun Gong, it's the Christian House Church, it's everybody. It's not just imprisoning people now, it's these virtual police states with lots of cameras and artificial intelligence systems and monitoring of people who go into mosques or churches. So it's this high-tech oppression that's starting to take root. And what we see is that if we can get this one right, what you tend to see around the world is your other human rights flourish too.